4 divided 4 divided 4 divided 4. How do you solve this? So many of us do the mistake of solving it like this. 4 divided by 4 is 1 and 4 divided 4 is 1. Then 1 divided by 1 is 1. You get 1 as your answer. But this is not how we solve it, because you see, division and multiplication, they are reciprocal actions and we have to solve it from left to right. So we start from left to right. As you know, the order of operation, it is parenthesis first, then exponent, then comes multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. This multiplication, division, they are grouped together and we solve them from left to right because they have equal priority. Now 4 divided by 4, we start from left to right. It means 4 multiplied to 4. And when we convert division into multiplication, the number after that gets inverted. We have to write the reciprocal of 4. Reciprocal of 4 will be 1 upon 4. Then this division also converts into multiplication. So it will be 1 upon 4. And then this division into multiplication. So it is 1 upon 4. Now you can cancel this 4 and this 4. So answer will be 1 upon 16. This is the correct answer. What is your answer? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.